shop. This is 30 315 watt modules in one full array, and that's powering their whole off-grid property, which we're not going to show you all that for privacy, but we're going to take you down into the shop and we're going to show you the off-grid system, and then we're going to show you the generator backup that's on this, that's got propane backup. Me and Joel knocked this out in 3.5 days, and I think it was 27 hours cumulative total work in the middle of windstorms and 100-degree heat and everything else. So when we show up, we don't play games. So we're going to go downstairs and get off the roof before we blow away, and we'll show you the rest of it. Okay, so we're going to begin at the generator panel. We have the generator main feed coming in, and then that splits off to be used for the inverters for charging capability. This is the Connex automatic generator start. We've already been testing this. Customers lived in their house comfortably for days now, and they don't have to run a generator out here. They're thrilled. But they do have a generator backup for the off-grid power should it ever get low. They have a sea of batteries here. Now, some customers prefer the handles left on, some prefer to take them off. We just do whatever the customer asks, because I know somebody might comment and be like, why'd you leave the handles on? We have two Connex XW Pros in parallel together here, and that is feeding power over to this other service panel, which is distributing to the houses and everything else. And we also have a charger wire running back out to keep the battery maintained on the Kohler unit, so that it can keep the off-grid backed up in the event that it gets low. We set a transfer switch here so that should the off-grid power ever fail, inverter problems, anything like that, heaven forbid, they can pull the lever up, turn the generator on manually, and they can still run the house independently completely of the off-grid power altogether. Now, what we've done with this system is we busted this up between two OTG boards. We call these off-the-grid boards. This is a Midnight Classic 150 unit. We have a battery disconnect. We have the photovoltaic disconnect for the panels coming in. That array's busted between two of these, broke up between them, and everything here just ice cold. It's ran comfortable. And they can add more batteries later if they want to. These two units together have met all their demands. Their well pump, their water heater, their washer dryer, their lights, their refrigeration, multiple freezers, air conditioning window units. They're going to be adding mini splits. They're going to be adding greenhouse. Like, it's met all those demands, and the bank's been filled up. Today it was filled up by 11 in the morning. Okay, that's pretty awesome, guys. So when we come outside here, as we step around right here, you can see right here we have the PV inputs that came in real clean, and then we have the Kohler generator right here. This is the feed coming in from the Kohler and the propane, and what that's doing is whenever the battery bank, should it get low, the triggers are set to automatically start this unit up, charge up the battery bank, meet the load demands, and then once that's met, turn off and cool down and just sit there until needed again. This is yet to come on. Well, we've made it come on, but it's yet to actually physically come on and run since we've been out here working. So that's really awesome too, because they've never gotten to the set trigger points yet that they needed. So guys, if you want to go off grid, make sure to check us out at offgridcontracting.com. And until I see you again, look forward to working for you.